Hi, KO1. I'm back again. Miss Shandy's here. Now, boys and girls, the video that we watched a few moments ago, where we introduced the vowels again, and as I said, we started looking at the vowels last week, and the vowels are part of the letters of the alphabet. There are 5 vowels, and we say sometimes Y, which would make it the 6th vowel. Now, boys and girls, last week we looked at the letter A and we looked at the sound A. As I said in the video that we did, that today we are going to focus, and for this week, we are going to focus on the vowel sound E. 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 Now, that vowel sound, boys and girls, is this letter makes the sound E, 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 E. And boys and girls, you know what happened? It does sound as if it is saying the letter A. Now, one thing that we spoke about last week, and we're going to speak about it this week. If I have the letter N over here, and I have this vowel over here, okay? If I make this sound, and I make this sound, boys and girls, because they're so far apart, they give me 2 different sounds. Now, in order for us to get one sound, boys and girls, as you have been expressing, we have to put them. Yes! You know what happened? Remember last week when Nia said, put them closer? Yes! We have to put them closer. Or another word, next to each other. Now, when they come together, boys and girls, I'm only going to get one sound. Ne. 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 Did you hear this vowel sound? But because they blend, we're blending the sound. When you blend, they're coming together to be one. Ne. Let's try another consonant. This is a consonant because it's not a vowel. Let's add our vowel sound. Okay, let me put the vowel over here. Uh-oh. We want one sound. So now we have to put the vowel sound for this letter E next to the consonant. No, Miss Shan. Now we have one sound. Te. 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 Excellent. Boys and girls, let's try this also. Let's have the letter S. What sound does letter S make? S. Let's have our vowel sound over here. S. S. Uh-oh. 2 different sounds. What are we going to do if we want one sound? Yes, put them next to each other. Put the vowel sound closer to the consonant S. So now we get se, se, se. Why did we get se? Because the vowel E makes the sound e. Look at my mouth. Okay? I didn't open it like this. No, I'm not going to make the vowel sound. I'm not going to make the vowel sound A. I am not going to make the vowel sound A. I'm only going to make the se. Let's try this one. Re. Re. If we change it to letter G, we get get, get, get. Very good. What happens if we put the Z? Z, Z. So boys and girls, the vowel sound that we focus on this week is eh, eh. And we put the consonant next to it and blend the sounds. Boys and girls, KO1, you're making so much progress. Your teachers are very proud of you. We're going to continue this in class.